And now let's put the catch exception E, and then wrong input, so okay, here catch exception E to E that print stack trace. Now let's try our program. Okay, now we will create some new document or new folder, which is our path. Let's try the test path. The first thing you need to do is I put it into our readme, our instructions instructed you to copy the address of your path that you want and paste it here, and then generate. Now it's generated successfully, as you can see. And now let's put our folder name. So our folder will be displayed here. So let's say hello folder. Let's create a new folder created, and now our folder is now in here, and the Keylogger files is now in here. Okay, so this panel is adjustable or resizable now, and I don't want that. So let's set the set resizable to false. Also here in our login page, I don't want resizable. Okay, I think that's it. And now I forgot to test our conditions. So it's our conditions, path required, and now, and then blank path, so path required first. So I think that's it. So I just want you guys to tell you something about the path. So if you mistakenly put a path name, for example, you will not be able to locate your path if you mistakenly put a wrong address. That's why you need to carefully copy first the path address that you want before generating it, so that you can easily locate it. Okay, now we're done in here. The next thing we need to do is we need to put code in our start. How to start. Okay, so we need some conditions again. So if the path name or folder name is empty or blank, the keylogger would start. So let's put if path name is equals to blank, option saya lang path required, as if the folder name or let's say, since we initialize the folder name to our variable string input, so we'll just put the input in here. Input that equals to blank again. Folder name required. Else, let's output our okay, I forgot, we need to input our native first, our native key listener first. So let's add jar folder and our my documents, my files, jnative hook. Okay, we need to input our jnative so that we will implement it in here. Implements native key listener. Now let's, okay, wait. Wrong. Okay, that's it. So we'll import it, implement all the abstracts, our abstracts in the bottom. We don't need this two. What we only need is this one, the native key press. We don't need the key release and the key type. Now, where were we now? In here, let's try to create let's system set out to new print string and new file output string equals to new file, and then we will copy this one, paste it in here, and then we will, okay, let's import the printouts first. Okay, let's register our global screen for our keylogger. Register native key hook, and then okay, I think I forgot to put the status, so I think I put in here. Just copy this one. Let's put our status in here. Status. We paste again to offline. Let's just change the our background to 255.